Day 8. Day 7 was a break. Today I ran a diagnostic and found out my site is completely invisible. No SEO, broken pages, Google can't find me. Let's fix it. 4 missing pages, about, contact, shipping, 404. Footer links weren't there. Created all 4 templates, added routes, now every link works. Then the SEO backbone. Robots.txt to guide crawlers, dynamic sitemap with all the 30 products pulled from the database, both returning 200. Now, this is the secret: JSON LD structured data, product schema with price, stock, and shipping, organizational schema, breadcrumbs, website search action validated in Google search results. This is what gets you those rich search results with prices and availability. Rate limiting, and yes, we crashed it twice. Slow API wasn't installed and the endpoints were missing request parameters. Third try, 22 endpoints protected, 3 to 30 requests per minute each. Google Search Console was also verified. Sitemap submitted, 30 pages discovered, homepage indexed, Bing 2. CNAME record in Cloudflare. Site Bing says discovered but not crawled. Typical new site, it'll catch up. 3 hours, site went from invisible to being fully SEO optimized. Day 9, tomorrow, we ensure that the Stripe live keys are inserted into the application.
离开我的人，或说我会陪我很久很久。花会枯萎，河会干涸，树会凋零，鸟还会死亡。
The ultimate hype destination is coming soon. Score exclusive anime keychains, epic sticker packs, rare blind boxes, and premium sneaker care. Unlock the loot at lootdistrict.ca.